Hello and welcome to another episode of Current Affairs MCQ. Let's begin with previous day question. Consider the following statements. The Telecommunications Act 2023 empowers the center or states to temporarily take control of telecom services or networks during public emergencies, disasters, or for public safety. The Indian Telegraph Rules 2007 mandates government authorization for lawful communication interception. The IT Act 2000 and the Interception Rules 2009 allow the government to monitor, intercept, or decrypt any information through a computer resource. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. The correct answer is option C. Section 20, Clause 2 of the Telecommunications Act 2023 empowers the center or states to temporarily take control of telecom services or networks during public emergencies, disasters, or for public safety. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Rule 419A of the Indian Telegraph Rules 2007 mandates government authorization for lawful communication interception. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Section 69 of the Information Technology Act 2000 and the Interception Rules 2009 allow the government to monitor, intercept, or decrypt any information through a computer resource. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Before moving forward, Drishti IAS Noida Center admissions are open for the offline batches for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims plus mains. Hindi medium and English medium admissions are open. For more information, give us a call at 87501 87501. Let's begin with today's session. Consider the following statements. It is a diamond-shaped black rock peak in Tibet. It remains unclimbed as its ascent is prohibited due to its sacred significance. It is the source of major rivers like the Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus and Karnali. Which of the following locations best matches the above description? Mount Kailash, Mount Everest, Mount Shishapangma or Namcha Barwa? The correct answer is option A. India announced the resumption of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra after a 5-year pause halted by China in 2020 due to COVID-19 and the line of actual control tensions. KMY has been operational since 1981. Mount Kailash, a diamond-shaped black rock peak in Tibet, is sacred to Hindus, Buddhists, Jains and Bons and is the source of major Asian rivers like the Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus and Karnali. It remains unclimbed as its ascent is prohibited due to its sacred significance. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements. It spans over the Western Ghat and was declared a wildlife sanctuary in December 2011. It is named after a fort built by Shivaji in the 17th century to defend against Portuguese forces. It is known as the only known breeding site of Wroughton's free-tailed bat found in the Barapid Caves. Which of the following locations best matches the above description? Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Jambugoda Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhimgarh Wildlife Sanctuary or Bandipur National Park? The correct answer is option C. Bhimgarh Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Belgaum district, Karnataka, near the Goa border. It spans over the Western Ghats and was declared a wildlife sanctuary in December 2011. It is named after Bhimgarh Fort built by Shivaji in the 17th century to defend against Portuguese forces. It is home to diverse avifauna including the velvet-fronted nuthatch, Malabar grey hornbill, imperial pigeon, emerald dove and the rare Malabar trogon. It is known as the only known breeding site of Wroughton's free-tailed bat found in the Barapid Caves. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding the Shola. It is also known as the Asian unicorn and belongs to the bovid genus. It is found in the highland forest of the Himalayas between India and Nepal. It is classified as critically endangered by the IUCN. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 1 only, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option B. Scientists have mapped the genome of the Shaula and at conservation and found that the species split into two populations 5,000 to 20,000 years ago, coinciding with habitat changes during and after the last glacial maximum. Often called the Asian unicorn, it is the rarest large land mammal and belongs to the bovid genus. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The Shaula is found in the misty highland forest of the Annamite mountain range between Vietnam and Laos. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. It is classified as critically endangered and is primarily threatened by habitat loss, poaching and indiscriminate snaring. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding semaglutide. Semaglutide is a synthetic insulin analog used to directly replace insulin in type 1 diabetic patients. It has recently shown effectiveness in treating metabolic dysfunction associated steatohepatitis, a progressive form of fatty liver disease. It is the active ingredient in medications such as Ozempic and Rybelsus, which are prescribed for diabetes and weight management. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option B. Semaglutide is a GLP-1 receptor agonist which works by enhancing insulin secretion in a glucose-dependent manner and not by directly replacing insulin. It is primarily used for managing type 2 diabetes and obesity and is not used for insulin replacement in type 1 diabetes. Semaglutide is not a synthetic insulin analog, hence statement 1 is not correct. Recent studies have shown that semaglutide is effective in treating metabolic dysfunction associated steatohepatitis, which is a progressive form of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This condition, now referred to as MASH, involves liver inflammation and can lead to more severe liver damage over time. Semaglutide has shown promise in reducing liver fat and improving liver function in clinical trials, hence statement 2 is correct. Semaglutide is the active ingredient in medicines like Ozempic, Rybelsus, and Wegovy. These medications are prescribed for managing type 2 diabetes and for weight management. They work by mimicking the effects of GLP-1, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce appetite. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding the Enforcement Directorate. The ED functions under the Ministry of Home Affairs and primarily investigates offences related to narcotics and terrorism. The ED is empowered to enforce provisions of both the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B. The Enforcement Directorate is a multidisciplinary organization mandated with the investigation of offences of money laundering and violations of foreign exchange laws. It functions under the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance, not the Ministry of Home Affairs. It deals primarily with financial crimes, not narcotics or terrorism. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. ED enforces both the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It was launched to provide financial protection to farmers against crop losses due to natural disasters, pests, and diseases. It has become the world's largest crop insurance scheme in terms of the number of farmers enrolled and land area covered in 2023-24. Which of the statements given above is or are not correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option D. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched in 2016. PMFBY is a central sector scheme designed to offer financial protection to farmers against crop losses caused by natural disasters, pests, or diseases. Hence, statement 1 is correct. As of 2023-24, PMFBY became the world's largest crop insurance scheme in terms of the number of farmers enrolled and land area covered. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next, with reference to DRR, Dhan 100, Kamala and Pusa DST Rice 1, consider the following statements. They are India's first genome-edited rice varieties. They have been developed using CRISPR-Cas9 technology without introducing any foreign DNA. DRR Dhan 100 Kamala is based on Samba Mahsuri, whereas Pusa DST Rice 1 is based on Marutera 1010. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. The correct answer is option C. India has released its first genome-edited rice varieties, namely DRR Dhan 100 Kamala and Pusa DST Rice 1, aimed at enhancing yields, climate resilience, and resource efficiency without introducing foreign DNA. Hence, statement 1 is correct. They have been developed by ICAR using advanced CRISPR-Cas9 genome editing technology. No foreign DNA is introduced, making them comparable to traditionally bred crops. Hence, statement 2 is correct. DRR Dhan 100 Kamala, it is based on the popular Samba Mahsuri variety, edited using site-directed nuclease 1 technology targeting the cytokinin oxidase 2 gene to improve grain number. Pusa DST Rice 1 is based on the Marutera 1010 variety and enhances drought and salt tolerance, developed through SDN1 genome editing. It targets the drought and salt tolerance gene. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements regarding the Haenyeo community. They are traditional women divers of Jeju Island, South Korea, who collect marine products without using modern diving equipments. Haenyeo practices have been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C. Haenyeo are women divers of Jeju Island, South Korea, who dive up to 10 meters deep without oxygen tanks, using traditional techniques to harvest shellfish like abalone and sea urchins. Hence, statement 1 is correct. In 2016, UNESCO recognized Haenyeo culture as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity for its unique combination of ecological wisdom, matriarchal tradition, and sustainable harvesting practices. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Next, consider the following diseases: thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, or hemophilia. Which of the diseases given above are classified as hereditary blood disease? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D. Blood disorders are medical conditions that affect one or more components of the blood, such as red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, plasma, or clotting factors. Thalassemia is a hereditary disorder affecting hemoglobin production. It is caused by mutations in the genes responsible for forming globin chains, leading to anemia and requiring blood transfusions in severe cases. Sickle cell anemia is also a genetic blood disorder caused by mutation in the hemoglobin gene. It leads to the production of abnormally shaped red blood cells that block blood flow and reduce oxygen delivery. Hemophilia is an X-linked hereditary disorder typically affecting males. It impairs the blood's ability to clot due to the deficiency of clotting factors. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next, consider the following. Article 75 of the Indian Constitution provides for individual ministerial accountability to the Parliament. 0R is explicitly mentioned in the rules of procedure of both houses of Parliament. A bill returned by the President under Article 111 can be reconsidered by Parliament with or without amendments. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. The correct answer is option A. Key mechanisms of parliamentary oversight. Article 75 provides for collective accountability of the Council of Ministers to the Lok Sabha, not individual ministerial accountability. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. 0R is an unwritten conventional practice in the Indian Parliament and is not explicitly mentioned in the rules of procedure. It allows MPs to raise matters of urgent public importance without prior notice. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Article 111 grants the President the power to assent, withhold, or return a bill, except money bills, to Parliament for reconsideration. This power serves as a check on legislative actions. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Himalayan mountains. The Shivalik range is the youngest geological formation of the Himalayan system. The Kashmir Himalayas are wider than the Assam Himalayas. The lesser Himalayas are primarily composed of granitic rocks and glacial moraines. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.